everybody, how is all going? Alright, I've got a little problem, I think I might have a problem here. I bought a game and the computer is running it really chunky and slow, and it shouldn't be doing that. It's got 16 gigabytes of RAM in it, which I had replaced under warranty. It's an ASUS model FX504GM, okay, it's a gaming model computer. But I've got a sneaky suspicion it's either full of dust, or this has got 4 slots for RAM. 2 are on the underside of the board and 2 are on the keyboard side of the board. So usually only 2 ever get used. I've got a sneaking suspicion, okay, either 1 it's full of dust, or 2 they've only used one RAM slot, which would be very disappointing, because it's a gaming computer, and the people I bought it off are the people I sent it back for the warranty for. So they should have put 16 gigabyte in 2 slots, like 8 in one and 8 in the other. But I bet you they've only put a 16 gigabyte stick in one of the slots, and it's only going to be a cheapest chips unbranded Chinese one too, I reckon. Anyway, we'll have a look and see. Now to get these apart, they're pretty easy. You just undo all the screws. There's one under here as well. Okay, now if yours is still under warranty, don't do this, okay? So there's 4 small screws at the bottom, and then there's one on the, well, yeah, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 screws to undo, and then you just put a thing in the back there and just prise it, and it just all pops off, we hope. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. There you go, love. Can you hold that for me, please? Alright, just come onto the side here so we don't. So all you do is you get a fine screwdriver, right? And you just put it in the sides and twist. I've already twisted it, and when you twisted it, the whole thing just lifts back. Okay? There's the cooling fans. Just give it to me for a minute. And they look clean, but as I suspected, here's the top 2 RAM slots. This one's looks a bit weird. Anyway, looks a little bit out of shape, doesn't it? As you can see, they have indeed only put one Samsung in there. Made in China, of course. Everything's made in China. Now, at the moment, there is a computer chip shortage in the world, especially in Australia. Not much is getting sent to Australia. But anyway, I'm going to go and ring up and order some more RAM. Love, you go down the post office and pick it up for me, okay?
Okay.
All right, we should be back in a week or 2. Well, that's amazing. Thanks to video technology, this will seem almost instant to you. However, week and a half later, express shipped. I'm trying not to get our name, our address. Complete with old newspapers. There's 2 Elite RAM sticks. Okay. come over here, darling. So that's the RAM we got to replace it with, a matched pair. I'll turn this camera off while I work out how to open this. Okay, so what do we got? We got the new RAM ready. I put some heat conductive tape on the underside. That's just a piece of silver heat conductive tape. Let's have a quick look at this. We've got the SSD, or my C drive there, D drive here. That's the battery, just in case you want to know. That's the Wi-Fi. And then you've got your other bits and pieces here. There you've got your CPU, your GPU, and that's your heat pipe cooling with your 2 fans. And it's all copper and it's all beautiful. And yeah, I haven't had any overheating issues with it, but you do have to keep them clean. All right, now the RAM, you just simply, once you've got your heat tape on the underside, you just simply pop it into the slot and push it down. And you don't touch those silver pins or anything like that, because you don't want to give these a static electrical shock. Then you push it down. Why is it important if you've got two or 4 slots? Why is it important to have your RAM? Like, what they should have done was put an 8 and an 8 in here, okay, for this 16. Well, because these days we use multi-core CPUs, okay? And if I could be bothered, I would put another 2 in underneath, and it would probably be just a smidgen faster again. But it's really important, one, if you've got an existing RAM, you match it exactly if you're going to buy a single stick. I don't recommend you try and do that. I recommend you buy a match set. In my case, I bought this Team Group Elite, okay, high performance gaming RAM. For laptops, I got 32 gigabytes of it in there. I have 2 16 gigabyte cards, split between 2 slots, and that should work quite a bit faster than just having it in 1 slot. All right, so all I do now is I just simply pop this case back on and do up the screws, and it really is as simple as that. You know, it's like those fans are clean. I'm not even going to worry about those. So I just simply pop that on there like that, position it, push it down. You can hear it click. There we go. And I do the screws up, which are all in here. Never over tighten these. And when you start them, always give them half a turn back until you feel that sort of a lump or a click, and that's the screw clicking into the thread. So you never cross thread if you do it that way. All right, so that's the how to upgrade the RAM on the ASUS FX504GM. Okay, tough gaming or something it's called. All right, keep safe everyone.